Hi, it's Adam with WebStarts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable what's called a store bar in your WebStarts website. That's a bar that runs across the top of your page that provides shortcuts to checkout, also to your customer's cart, and allows your customers the ability to log in to their account with your store. So if you click log in and then they enter their email address and password, they can log into an existing account or sign up to create a new account. And from there, they can view their orders, shipping, billing, and general information. Let me show you how I enabled this in WebStarts. I'm logged into my WebStarts account, and I'm in the dashboard view. From here, we're going to edit the pages, so we click Edit Site. That's going to load up the page editor. Once the page editor is loaded, you can enable the store bar by clicking on the View tab and then checking where it says Show Store Bar, and then it will appear in the editor. Next, click Save, and those changes will be published to your live website. So now when I click View Site, you'll notice that the store bar is enabled for that page. This has to be done for each individual page. So if you didn't want the store bar to appear on a certain page, let's say for example your About page, you would just disable it in that view and then click Save, and then those changes would be published as well. You can also edit the login page for your store by selecting it from the drop-down menu. And here you can move around the login widget and even do things like add an image strip for a promotional banner or whatever you'd like, really. You can also access the account page. That's the page that displays the general billing, shipping, and my orders information. Again, that's a widget that's embedded on the specific page, so you can move that around as you see fit. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit webstarts.com to create your very own free online store and see more helpful videos like this. And if you're watching on YouTube, be sure to subscribe and enable notifications to be the first to see my latest videos.